Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the contrast of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, press on adjustments down below, and after that press on contrast. And you can just manage it here. You can swipe to the left or to the right until you get the contrast that you want, and after that you can either continue editing or leave the project, but either way you can save the change if you want to. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.